Have you ever wondered what it really takes to get rich? Not just pretending to have it all on social media, but actually building the kind of wealth that gives you freedom. The kind that lets you live life your way. I'm going to break it all down for you. Step by step, I'll show you how to escape the rat race, build lasting wealth, and finally live life on your own terms. But before we dive in, if you're serious about taking control of your future, do me a favor. Hit that like button. It's a small click for you, but a huge help for us to reach more people like you who are ready to change their lives. Alright, let's get started. Everyone dreams of being rich, of living life on their own terms. But let me ask you something. When you think about wealth, what's the first thing that comes to mind? A mansion? A luxury car? That endless vacation lifestyle? Sure, those things look amazing on Instagram, but real wealth? It's so much bigger than that. Real wealth is about freedom. It's waking up every day knowing that your time is truly your own. It's having the resources to chase your dreams, take care of the people you love, and say no to anything that doesn't align with your purpose. The truth is, wealth isn't just about stacking cash. It's about building assets, things that make money for you, even when you're not actively working. Imagine earning while you sleep, while you're traveling, or even while you're hanging out with your friends. That's the power of creating something that works for you. But here's the catch. Most of us are stuck playing the wrong game. In life, there are two games: the status game and the wealth game. The status game is the one society pushes us into, where we measure success by comparing ourselves to others. It's exhausting. It's never-ending. And spoiler alert, nobody actually wins. The wealth game, on the other hand, is about building something meaningful. Something that grows over time and creates real value. And here's the best part. Anyone can play and win this game if they know the rules. So, let me share the blueprint. First, figure out your superpower. What are you naturally good at? What lights you up so much that you lose track of time? This isn't just about skills. It's about passion. When you combine what you love with what you're good at, you unlock the ultimate advantage. Your superpower is your key to building something nobody else can replicate. Next, let's talk about leverage. You only have 24 hours in a day. So how do you make the most of them? You find ways to multiply your impact. Leverage could mean building a team that amplifies your vision. Automating tasks so you can focus on what truly matters. Creating something, like content, products, or software, that can scale infinitely. Leverage is the difference between grinding endlessly and building something that grows without you. Winners in the wealth game are constantly evolving. They read, they learn, they adapt. In a world that's always changing, staying still means falling behind. The more you grow, the more opportunities you'll see, and the more equipped you'll be to seize them. Here's a secret that most people don't get: the more you share, the more you gain. Teaching, mentoring, or even just offering advice builds your reputation and strengthens your expertise. Generosity isn't just good karma, it's good business. And finally, the one step that separates dreamers from doers. Take action. Building wealth doesn't start tomorrow, next month, or when things feel perfect. It starts right now. Every small step forward is a step closer to the life you've always imagined. And if you're feeling inspired, this is your chance to subscribe to the channel. I'll be sharing actionable strategies, powerful insights, and personal lessons from my own journey to financial freedom. Together, we'll build something incredible. one step at a time. You'll face challenges. You'll take risks. But every successful person you admire, they all started by doing one thing. They acted. At Empire Tree, this isn't just talk. This channel is about turning dreams into reality. Mine and yours. You'll see the strategies I use, the wins, the failures, and everything in between. Because real wealth isn't just about numbers. It's about building a life you're proud of. So, hit that subscribe button, join the journey, and let's grow our empires together. What are you waiting for? The time is now.